KeepKey wallet versus blockchain wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description. In this video, we will compare these two wallets, highlighting their features, target audiences, and strengths to help you decide which one suits your crypto management needs. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for offline storage of private keys, offering enhanced security against online threats. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. With a sleek design, a large display for transaction verification, and integration with Shapeshift for seamless crypto exchanges, KeepKey is ideal for users seeking simplicity and security. It's especially appealing to long-term holders and beginners who value a user-friendly interface. However, KeepKey may feel limiting for users managing a diverse portfolio or those requiring mobile connectivity, as it lacks Bluetooth functionality and supports fewer assets compared to competitors. Blockchain Wallet, on the other hand, is a hot wallet accessible via web or mobile app, offering greater flexibility and convenience for managing your crypto assets. It supports a range of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, as well as features like in-app trading and interest-earning options for stored crypto. Blockchain Wallet is suited for active traders and users who prefer quick access to their funds. While it provides solid security measures, such as two-factor authentication and private key backups, it remains vulnerable to online threats since private keys are stored digitally. This wallet is a great choice for those prioritizing accessibility and a broad feature set, but it may not be the best option for storing large amounts of crypto long-term. In summary, KeepKey Wallet is the better choice for users prioritizing offline security and simplicity, particularly for long-term storage. Meanwhile, Blockchain Wallet offers accessibility and functionality, catering to active traders and those looking to earn on their holdings. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize security or convenience. Let us know in the comments which wallet aligns with your needs.